Today, we are solving LeetCode problem 66, plus 1. We are given a number represented as an array of digits, where each element represents one digit. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant. There are no leading zeros. Our task is simple. Add 1 to the number and return the updated digits as an array. This problem is all about handling carry correctly, just like manual addition. If the last digit is less than 9, we simply add 1 and we're done. If the last digit is 9, adding 1 creates a carry. That carry may continue moving leftward through the array. If all digits are 9, we need to add a new digit at the front. Example 1. Input, digits equals 1, 2, 3. Output, 1, 2, 4. Explanation, the array represents the integer 123. Incrementing by 1 gives 123 plus 1 is equal to 124. Thus, the result should be 1, 2, 4. Example 2. Input, digits equals 4, 3, 2, 1. Output, 4, 3, 2, 2. Explanation, the array represents the integer 4321. Incrementing by 1 gives 4321 plus 1 is equal to 4322. Thus, the result should be 4322. Example 3. Input, digits equals 9. Output, 1, 0. Explanation, the array represents the integer 9. Incrementing by 1 gives 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Thus, the result should be 1, 0. Approach, step-by-step logic. Start from the last digit of the array. Move from right to left. If the digit is less than 9, add 1. Return the array immediately. If the digit is 9, set it to 0 and continue carrying. If we finish the loop, that means all digits were 9. Add 1 at the beginning of the array. This mimics how addition works in real life. Today we are solving LeetCode problem 66, plus 1. We are given a number represented as an array of digits. Each element in the array is a single digit, ordered from most significant to least significant. Our task is simple. Add 1 to this number and return the updated digits array. Step 1. Understand the core challenge. Adding 1 sounds trivial, but there's a catch. If the last digit is less than 9, just add 1 and stop. Equal to 9, it becomes 0, and a carry moves to the left. So the real challenge is handling carry propagation. Step 2. Initialize carry. We start with a variable called carryover and initialize it to 1, because we want to add exactly 1 to the number. Step 3. Traverse from right to left. We iterate through the digits from the last index to the first. At each position, add the current digit and the carry. Store the last digit of the sum using modulo 10. Update carry using integer division by 10. This mimics how we add numbers manually. Step 4. Handle remaining carry. After processing all digits, if carryover is still 1, it means the number was something like 999. In that case, we simply insert 1 at the front of the array. Step 5. Return the result. Finally, we return the updated digits array. This approach is efficient, clean, and handles all edge cases. Let's run this on the sample input. All test cases pass successfully. Now I'll hit submit. And boom, accepted. Efficient, clean, and interview ready. And that's how you solve the plus 1 problem using carry handling. If this explanation helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More LeetCode solutions coming up next. See you in the next video.